Welcome to Trump Teaches Cooking. Today, we'll look at healthy choices, microwavable dinner, vegetables or beef. I found this a 4 out of 4 in taste. The only problem is the holes they put in the container. When you pour the sauce over it, it just rolls right up the holes. My suggestion as a chef would be to make it solid so the sauce doesn't run out of the plate and onto the floor for your clothes. And it would make it easier to eat. So other than that, I found it very rewardingly tasteful, and I would just still give it a 4 out of 4. Very good. Just fix the holes, baby, and you have a great meal.